got that phone on his side like you do. That other car.
You can tell.
Yeah.
You got it, look.
That bird in that front of
It's clean though, but look what color he painted the drum. Red. Color green, he just painted black or something.
Yeah.
Straight right. Double cut. Them right here.
I need to bring that Cadillac over here now.
Yeah.
I need to bring that Cadillac over.
Them right here. This car here, it need a little bit more work did to it.
Yeah.
Got some rat issues. Inside need done.
Yeah. See, when you got the price, you go all the way out when you got the price.
It's Lincoln, that new school right here, man. You know it's gonna be a little halfway decent.
I think that Cadillac could anything out here though.
Park it up, man. Go get the Cadillac.
They ain't ready for that yet.
Go get the Cadillac.
Put the gas mask on.
Go get the Cadillac.
So you can put it on there?
Yeah, you gotta wait on me.